Some Mi-24V helicopters donated by the Czech Republic to Ukraine are now able to use the American Hydra 70mm unguided rocket. According to the drive, the rocket is loaded into a standard 19-tube rocket pod. It is not yet known whether the American-made Hydra 70mm can be used on other combat aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force. A video that has emerged recently shows a Ukrainian soldier loading 70mm Hydra rockets into a US-made M261 launcher on a Mi-24 helicopter. This pod consists of 19 rockets, which are attached to the left armament rack of the Mi-24 via an adapter. In addition to the weapon mount adapter, it is not clear whether the Mi-24 helicopter will be modified with any additional parts to integrate the Hydra rocket. Some experts speculate that it is possible that other helicopters have also been integrated with Hydra rocket pod. The Hydra is a modular munition consisting of a standardized 70mm rocket motor onto which various warheads can be attached. The rockets seen in the Ukrainian Hydra arming video look to be typical unguided types with high explosive warheads. The US currently has many different types of Hydra warheads, including those used to destroy armored vehicles with high penetrating power and the anti-infantry type, but it is not clear which ones Ukrainian forces received. The M261 rocket pod, a lightweight type designed primarily for use on armed helicopters, is also capable of firing laser-guided 70mm advanced precision kill weapon system 2 rockets. This munition Ukraine has also received consists of a guidance section that slots in between the warhead and the rocket motor. This allows for the transformation of any unguided Hydra type into a low-cost precision-guided munition. However, there is no indication that at present that Ukraine's Hydras are employing these rockets. On the battlefield, Mi-24 armed helicopters and transport helicopters such as Ukraine's Mi-8 and Mi-17 often use the tactic of indirect firing salvos of unguided missiles in Russian positions. Ukraine's Su-25 ground attack aircraft also regularly use the same tactic and use US-added Zuni 127mm missiles to attack. Russian armed helicopters have also been observed to use tactics similar to those of Ukraine. Although not very accurate, it helps the aircraft to improve its survival rate against enemy air defense systems. Russian air defense systems have always been a dangerous threat to the Ukrainian Air Force from the beginning of the conflict until now. In addition to the Mi-24 helicopter equipped with Hydra rockets and M261 pods, Western countries are also looking to add weapons to some Ukraine Soviet-era fighters, such as the AGM-88 anti-radiation missile, the US GDAM-ER precision-guided bombs, and the British Storm Shadow cruise missile.